Wow! Look at how this cheese is stretchy.
To make authentic tteokbokki, you'll need rice cakes, gochujang, fish cakes, garlic, sugar, and green onions.
If your rice cakes are hard, soak them in water for a few minutes to get softened a little bit. Then prepare the signature spicy sweet sauce to get that aroma you are looking for. Place your water on the heat and bring to a gentle boil. While the water is boiling, add the rice cake and allow them to soften. Add the sauce and stir continuously. While the sauce is still boiling, add your fish cakes, green onions for extra flavor. And that's how you can make the delicious Korean tteokbokki at home. Don't fail to subscribe for more of these videos to come your way.
No shortcuts, gotta play to win. Now my story got a deeper meaning. I was lost, now I found my way. Turn my nights into brighter days. Every scar, yeah, it made me brave. Now I rise, I don't hesitate. Rise up, stand tall, don't fumble. Turn pain into power. Chef humble, from nothing to something we hustle. Now we shining, no more struggle. Rise up, stand strong, stay ready. Life's hard, but I keep it steady. From the kitchen to the world I rumble. Built a dream, that's chef humble. If you fall, get up again. That's the fire within. Every loss is a lesson learned. Every scar is a bad you earn.